How do I terminate a script? How do I exit a script early, like the die command in PHP?
Details from the sys module documentation. sys.exit, arg, exit from Python. This is implemented by raising the system exit exception, so cleanup actions specified by finally clauses of try statements are honored, and it is possible to intercept the exit attempt at an outer level. The optional argument arg can be an integer giving the exit status defaulting to 0, or another type of object. If it is an integer, 0 is considered successful termination and any non-zero value is considered abnormal termination by shells and the like. Most systems require it to be in the range 0 to 127, and produce undefined results otherwise. Some systems have a convention for assigning specific meanings to specific exit codes, but these are generally underdeveloped. Unix programs generally use 2 for command line syntax errors and 1 for all other kind of errors. If another type of object is passed, none is equivalent to passing 0, and any other object is printed to stir and results in an exit code of 1. In particular, sys.exit some error message is a quick way to exit a program when an error occurs. Since exit ultimately only raises an exception, it will only exit the process when called from the main thread, and the exception is not intercepted. Note that this is the nice way to exit. At glyph twisted matrix below points out that if you want a hard exit, you can use os._exit error code, though it's likely os specific to some extent. It might not take an error code under Windows, for example, and it definitely is less friendly since it doesn't let the interpreter do any cleanup before the process dies. On the other hand, it does kill the entire process, including all running threads, while sys.exit, as it says in the docs, only exits if called from the main thread, with no other threads running.
A simple way to terminate a Python script early is to use the built-in quit function. There is no need to import any library, and it is efficient and simple. Example.
Another way is
You can also use simply exit. Keep in mind that sys.exit, exit, quit, and os._exit 0 kill the Python interpreter. Therefore, if it appears in a script called from another script by exit file, it stops execution of both scripts. See stop execution of a script called with exit file to avoid this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.